Good morning, students. Today we will continue this chapter, uses of plants. So open your book at page number 23. Cosmetics and flavorings. Soaps, creams and perfumes are made from oils extracted from plants. Perfumes come from sweet smelling flowers like rose, jasmine and magnolia. Flavorings obtained from plants like saffron, vanilla, rose and orange add to the taste and smell of food. So students, we get various types of cosmetics and flavorings. Cosmetics such as soaps, cream, perfumes, they are made from oil extracts which we get from plants, and perfumes we get from rose, jasmine, magnolia, and flavorings we get from saffron, vanilla, rose and orange. Now come to the next point, vegetable dyes. Dyes meaning color. We get natural colors agents from plants too. Indigo is a bluish dye that comes from the leaves of the indigo plant. Madder is a deep red dye that comes from the rose madder. The leaves of the henna mehendi are used as their coloring and making body art. So we get blue color from indigo plant. We get deep red dye from rose madder, and with the leaves of henna we can color our hair, or we can make body arts with the leaves of henna. Fiber. Fiber from plants like cotton and jute is used to make textiles. Textiles are cut and stitched to make our clothes. Jute and hemp fibers are also used to make ropes, sacks and mats. So students, we get clothes from textile, and textiles are made from cotton and jute. Okay, we also get ropes, sacks and mats from jute and hemp. Come to the next page, page number 24. Manure. When plants die, they mix with the soil and make it more fertile. Plants grow better and healthier in fertile soil. So students, plants grow better in fertile soil, and we get this fertile soil when plants dies and mixes with this soil. Okay. Beauty and security. Plants are creations of nature that add beauty and color to our surroundings. Flowering plants decorate gardens and our homes. Flowers are also worn in garlands and on the hair to look attractive. Small shrubs are used as hedges to protect gardens from animals. Trees, hedges and bamboo fences around homes provide privacy and security from outsiders. The shade of a big tree can protect us from the sun and rains. So with flowers we can make garlands, necklaces for beautifying ourselves, and we can also beautify our houses, gardens with the colorful flowers. To protect gardens or house, we can use plants, and we can make bamboo fences, so it gives us privacy and security. In this way, trees help us many ways. We can get shade of a big trees in the sun or in the rain. Students, this is your homework for today. Read and remember these answers of these questions and do the homework in your copy. Let me read these answers for you. Answer the following questions. From where perfumes come? Perfumes come from flowers like rose, jasmine and magnolia. Number 2. From where flavorings obtained? Flavorings obtained from plants like saffron, vanilla, rose and orange. Number 3. From which plant we get the bluish dye? We get the bluish dye from the leaves of the indigo plant. Number 4. From where we get the deep red dye? We get the deep red dye from the rose madder. 5. Which plants are used to make textiles? Cotton plants and jute plants are used to make textiles. Number 6. Which fibers are used to make ropes, sacks and mats? Jute and hemp fibers are used to make ropes, sacks and mats. Students, hope this topic is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can call me. See you in the next class. Bye bye students.